In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your navigation transparent in Framer, a no-code website builder loved by designers. This simple process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Framer website. If you're not familiar with it, Framer is a powerful tool that allows you to create professional websites without any coding experience. It's widely appreciated by designers for its versatility and ease of use. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up for free. Logging in will take you to the Framer home, the hub for all your projects and creative endeavors. When you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the project you'd like to work on. This will open your project in an editor mode where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Once you have your project open, locate and click on the Insert button. This will give you access to a variety of elements and components you can add to your design. Next, look for the Basics section. This category contains fundamental elements you'll often use in your projects. From there, you need to click on Navigation. Navigation is essential for website users, as it helps them find their way around. By making it transparent, you can create a modern, sleek look that may enhance the overall aesthetic of your site. Once you've clicked on Navigation, you'll need to select Top Bar Menu. This is usually the position where the navigation bar resides on most websites. The top is an ideal location because it's readily visible and accessible to users. Now, with the top bar menu selected, it's time to adjust its transparency. Look for the opacity setting. This feature allows you to control how transparent or opaque the navigation element will appear on your website. You can adjust the slider to a lower percentage if you wish for more transparency. This can create a subtle, elegant effect, especially useful if you have engaging content or visuals that you don't want to overshadow with the navigation bar. And there you have it, a transparent navigation bar that seamlessly blends with your website's design. This subtle tweak can transform your website's appearance, giving it a refined, polished look. As you play around with settings in Framer, you'll find endless possibilities for creativity and design enhancement. So go ahead and experiment, tweak, and make your website truly yours. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!